a process known as the water cycle, which involves several key steps. Evaporation: water from oceans, rivers, lakes, and other bodies of water is heated by the sun and turns into water vapor, rising into the atmosphere. Condensation: as the water vapor rises, it cools down and condenses to form tiny water droplets. These droplets gather around particles like dust, pollen, or smoke in the air, creating clouds. Coalescence: within the clouds, the tiny droplets collide and merge to form larger droplets. When these droplets become too heavy to remain suspended in the cloud, they start to fall. Precipitation: the water droplets fall to the ground as precipitation, which can be in the form of rain, snow, sleet, or hail, depending on the temperature conditions in the atmosphere. The overall process is driven by the sun's energy and involves the continuous movement of water within the Earth's atmosphere and surface.